Yo guys, welcome back to another video guys. So today what I'm gonna do is, guys, I finally got this package here. I waited 1 week to get this little package here. So guys, what this is for is we're gonna wrap this V-brace for my BMW 340i. Yeah, before I start wrapping the V-brace, let me show you what color of the wrapping paper I've got. So let's open it now. Okay. So what color of the color of the wrapping paper that I got is this blue carbon fiber look wrapping paper. The reason why I got this color of the wrapping paper is because my brake caliper is this blue color, which looks like this. It looks kinda different, but then like, yeah, it looks pretty much similar. Also, this is carbon fiber look, so when I wrap it there, it's gonna look crazy, guys. It's gonna look amazing there. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap this V-brace, guys. So before I wrap this V-brace here, what we gotta do is we have to unbolt some bolts here, so I can pull it, and then I can take these kidney grills out. Today, I'm gonna be using some of these tools. What we gotta do now is, okay, let's open the hood first. You guys all know how to open the BMW hood, right? So you just gotta pull once and one more time to open it. When you open it, you can just open it like this. And yeah, so when you see here, you can easily remove it by just taking this out like this. Okay, easy. Okay, let me just draw it there. Okay, so we have this T30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 T25 here and another one here. Let's start removing it, guys. Okay, so I can remove it like this. Now we removed all these T30s here. So yeah, let's go get the T25 here. Let me put it here. And I'll go get this one here. And I'm gonna remove those two now, here and there. Once we finish removing this stuff, we have these clips here, right? Those clips are holding the bumper, so we are gonna slowly pull this to unclip this stuff. Pull it. Yeah, so now we can pull it a bit more. We can put our hands in and then remove this kidney grill. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try that now and show you guys how to do it. When I pull it, you guys see those clips here, right? So what you gotta do is you gotta push this tab. So like push these tabs and put your hands here and like take it out. Pull it. Pull the grill. Another one. Push this tab and pull it. Another one, push this tab and pull it. So now we did 3 clips. This one again, pull it. And there's another clips here. Okay, another clips there. And another clip there. Yeah guys, it's coming off. Okay guys, so, my hands, okay. If you guys can see here, so there are, oh shoot. Anyway, see here, you guys can see like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just like you guys just saw, just push this tab in and another hand hold the grill and push this tab in and take it out. Push this another tab in and then pull it and push this another tab, pull it, another tab, like that. Okay guys, so now we just removed this OEM kidney grills over there. So now we got so much space to access to this V-brace over there. Before I wrap those V-brace, I want to wash it out first. So I've just washed it. So now what we gotta do is we have to measure how much wrapping paper we need to wrap this V-brace. What I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use this double-side tape. With this double-side tape, I'm just gonna put it around like this, and so I can measure how long it is, the width and length as well, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna measure it. So for the width, see how wide it is. Okay. Okay. Like that, I can just measure it and then just take it off again. So now we know the width is this much long. Now I'm gonna measure how long the V brace is actually. Okay, so let me measure it from here to like there. Okay, and then I can cut it off. As you guys can see here, if you put the tape on and then take the tape out, you can see. Oh frick, no, other side of the tape is on it. It's fine, we can take it off. Guys, be careful when you guys are doing it. You guys can just use just a simple tape. You don't have to use a double side tape. Don't use it because I think it's more complicated to use it. Any like measurement to measure V-brace, guys. Okay guys, so now we know the length of it and the width. So now I'm just gonna open this wrapping paper here. And this looks gorgeous actually. Look at this, like the color looks actually so good. Yeah. So guys, look at it. Okay, it's gonna look amazing with the carbon fiber look. Now I'm gonna cut this. The width has to be this long. The length has to be from here to here. Okay guys, so once you guys cut this wrapping paper into 2 pieces here, now you guys are fully ready to wrap this finally, guys. Before you guys start wrapping this V-brace, I want to make sure that it's clean. So let me just wipe it one more time. When I saw it, it's really clean now. Okay, let's start wrapping this. So wrapping is really easy. You just gotta stick this wrapping paper on it, which is gonna be easy. So I will show you guys how to do it now. Okay guys, so I wrapped this part here. No bubbles in it and it looks perfect. Okay, it looks really good. So as you guys can see here, we finished wrapping those V-brace. It is the simplest mode that you can ever do on this F30 BMW. Because except the part that you have to remove the kidney grill, the wrapping was really easy. Normally a lot of people think wrapping is really hard, but then I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the simplest wrapping that you can try like by yourself, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching for today's video. Sorry that I'm not gonna show you guys the whole result, how it looks like, cause I don't wanna like put the OEM grill back as I ordered the new M-style grill for my BMW F30 340i. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So if you guys want to see the whole result, please wait for the next video. And next video is gonna be on the installation of the M-style kidney grill. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Yeah guys, see you in the next video guys. Bye. Yeah.